Okay.
Go for it.
Yeah, yeah. First of all, I want to thank you, a very big thank you to Nitya Madam and Dr. Mr. Vikasji, who met last year, the same month of October in Chennai. And, I was introduced to Healy. I'm a physiotherapist who had experience last 20 years helping people to live away from pain and improve their well-being, all those things. But after coming Healy, what I added in my practice is energy to all the people who I treated. So along with the whatever the therapy we give energy. Ely is giving energy. Once the person has sufficient energy, they have all the activities to do in a very easiest way. And most importantly, it restores the normal physiological function of the body. So Ely encourages body to work on itself by itself. So whatever, even the energy levels, the person is able to spend some extra time in the park in the evening. They're walking extra mile. They feel more good, and the legs are become very light after the therapy session. So what happened? It restores the normal, the tissue balance, everything, normal tissue function. So the edema, the swelling, the unnecessary, muscle weakness, everything is improving with the help of the Ely. The three main things which I found in Ely is the people, especially women who work long hours in the kitchen time. So what happens? They ignore their ankle, especially. So if you see the people working in the long time, the ankle always shapeless. If you see the joint is compressed, lot of swelling, colors, skin color will be changed into black color, all those things will be there. So after Ely, what happened? It restores the normal ankle function into normal shape, which I see in my own eyes. Even after a therapy of 30 minutes, I can see the change in with the help of local stimulation. There's a wonderful programs is there, the cell harmony program, which gives energy to the individual. The person who unable to walk even for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, the person is able to walk last 1 hour continuously without sitting. He getting energy like that kind of energy the person. See, I bought Ely last year. I told everyone, I want to use as much of people in my patients, in my clients, whoever will be something, and I give testimony after 1 year. So now the 1 year has come. I want to give a strong and a kind of a significant testimonial for Healy. Healy is an amazing device which every human being has to use to enhance his energy in everyday life. So if you need energy every day, take Healy. Healy is the one which gives you more power, more strength, more endurance, and it makes your body in a very efficient way. And even especially the people above 60 years, a lot of bone issue will be there, lot of tissue pain will be there. So everything will be recovered with the help of the Healy. I strongly recommend to restore normal physiological function of the body. While using this thing, what happens? It eliminate all the symptoms: headache, migraine, fever, whatever the thing, the symptoms will disappear. Even one session, you can see the difference. That's what Ely does. I want to thank you, my all the team, Nitya madam again, and because sir, Rajendra ji especially for following up, and Vikas ji for all the support which I'm very lucky to have Rajendra ji and Vikas ji. Most of them I miss those some of the trainings because I practice with the patient, but really honored to to them to work under them. Very I'm very blessed, and as well as the Nitya madam who introduced me to this thing, and also thank my downline member who believed in me and which we are traveling with last 1 year, and we are creating lot of impact, lot of success stories every day, and very soon we will publish some research papers on this to make more evidence and more experience to more people to believe in our ED space. I once again thank you so much.